Today, I will teach you how to convert numbers from base 10 to a lower base 3. I carry down the number. I carry down the base. Here is calling for 3. Here is calling for the quotient, the whole numbers. And here will be the column for the remainder, the answer. The remainder becomes the answer. 3 divides 27. It gives us 9. Remainder nothing. When there is no remainder, I write 0. Remainder 0. Now 3 divides 9. It gives us 3. Remainder 0. Still. Three divides 3 give us 1. Remainder 0. When there is no remainder, I write 0. Finally, 3 divides 1. It will give us 0. Remainder that 1. Remainder this one. To get my answer, I count the remainder digits upward. Then I write it down. 1, 0, 0, and 0. Base 3. Base 3.